Okay, so these two problems, 39 and 40, should be at the very end of your practice packet. And I'm going to do 39 for you as an example, and I want you to do 40 for me, and turn it into me along with those other problems from the previous video. So the reason I'm doing this for you is just because the functions are a little bit more complicated, but it's the same idea. So for 39, we're looking to find g of 2. So I'm going to use my g function, put a 2 wherever I see an x, and then just evaluate that and find that. So if we start with 39 here, let's use yellow. Start with 39. So again, let's kind of write down our original function. Ooh, yellow is really hard to see. Never mind. It's orange. So we're doing g of x equals x cubed minus 5. As a refresher, when you cube something, it means you're multiplying something by itself 3 times. And since this typing I'm doing here doesn't have the capability to write a cube like this, I'm going to write it on my paper as x times x times x, just because my typing cannot make that happen. So that is our original equation. So now, typing is rough. There we go. So now we're going to plug a 2 in wherever we see an x. So instead of having g of x, I'm going to have g of 2 equals 2 times 2 times 2 minus 5. And as we've done for those previous problems, use your calculator, you guys. Use this Desmos calculator that I use your phone calculator, whatever makes it easier. So we're doing 2 times 2 times 2, and then we subtract 5. And one thing I want you to notice is that if I wrote out 2, and then in this little calculator, the way we write a cubed is if you do shift and then press 6 on your computer, and write a 3, and then do minus 5, we get the same answer. So 2 cubed, or 2 times 2 times 2, and then take away 5, gives us 3. So that's all it is. We can confidently say that g of 2 is 3. So I am going to set up number 40 for you guys, and then see if you can get it going on your calculator, which I bet you can. So for number 40, which I want you to finish on your own, is h of 6 instead of g of 6. So again, let's write down our original equation up here. So we have h of x equals x minus 3. That whole thing is squared, and then we take away 4. So since this whole thing is squared, that is the same thing as h of x equals x minus 3, and then we multiply it by itself once. That's what squaring something is. And again, I just have to do that because my typing on this thing just doesn't let me do something squared. Write it like this. So write it whatever makes it easier for you. And then we just go through, put our 6 wherever we see an x, just like we did in the previous problem. So we're going to do 6 minus 3, 6 minus 3, and then we subtract 4. So go ahead, plug that in your calculator, find what h of 6 is, and yeah, that's all we're doing this week. Good luck. I hope everything's going okay. Please, please, please let me know if you need anything. All right.